Girl, I sent you like 7 texts. You didn't reply, it's okay, I guess. You found a guy, I'm not impressed. You wasted my time, on to the next. Yeah, your world's gonna crash down. Now that I'm not in it, see, I do not care where you're at now, yeah. I'm happy we ended. My music is dark, sorry my life ain't pretty. Never had friends, not a family, really. Just me and my thoughts, and they always stick with me. If my head is down, it's cause I'm overthinking. Nobody gets me but you give me meaning. So I was happy when you started to see me. Girl, we were so perfect, I gotta be dreaming. Till I woke up like, why the fuck did you leave me? I met this girl named Sarah, I thought she was real. Thought she loved me, thought she cared how I feel. Just to find out that she doesn't, she wasn't the one. I wonder if you think of me still. She probably doesn't, but fuck her, I'm gone. I texted my heart, you didn't text me at all. You just sit with your friends while you ripping a bond. Till you lay in bed empty, listen to my song. I was there for you when you had no one involved. I wanted to heal and mend all scars. I flew you out, I hated being apart. Said that you would move here, and yeah, that's what I thought till you lied to me. So I called it off, but then I came back cause my love was too strong. So now you ignore me, I just wanna talk. You won't answer my calls, dummy, look who you lost. It's fine, I don't give a damn no more. Don't really care if you're a fan no more. You're a person that I hate and can't stand no more. The best guy you ever had but can't have no more. Because of you, I'm not the person I am no more. I'm so done, there's no upper hands no more. When time passes, I bet that you won't laugh no more. You're nothing and you're not a part of my plans no more. I gave you all I had and more. You were the one that I'd adore. Till you show me who you really were. Now I don't give a fuck. Said we'd be friends after our split. You lied, so your words, they don't mean shit. Missing you used to make me sick. Now I don't give a fuck. I repeated the old me. All I ask is don't act like you know me. Fuck what you told me. Only thing good with that mouth was when you would drop down and you blow me, girl. I know what you're thinking. Trying all of this just because of me leaving? No, I told you that shit didn't matter. This is about how you treated me after I said how I feel, but it didn't exist. You hurt me, I've been hurt again and again. Ever since you started hanging with your new friends. You said fuck us and then you replaced me with them. You left the cut so deep that it never come in. You pushed us away, now we have came to an end. Please don't try to call me, we cannot make amends. You hurt me, so fuck no, I ain't playing pretend. I guess pushing you was probably the issue. Said you wanna sing, I said you had it in you. I believed in you, and girl, I was your voice. Yeah, you cut me off like I did something to you. All you wanna do is just chill and get high. So high that you just get stuck in your mind. You really struck a nerve when you didn't reply. It's like, how could you be cold to someone who tries? I tried, but now, fuck it, you left. Now that means you have to settle for less. Later in life, this will be your biggest regret. I'll rise up and your life will still remain a mess. We seen the good in you, must have been a threat. If that's the issue, you should run back to your ex. Stay complacent because you are basic at best. I love you, but the love I have for you is dead. I gave you all I had and more. You were the one that I'd adore. Till you show me who you really were. Now I don't give a fuck. Said we'd be friends after our split. You lied, so your words, they don't mean shit. Missing you used to make me sick. Now I don't give a fuck.